Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to change the signature in DocuSign if you already have created one. So before we proceed, you can head over to the link in the description below. So you can see we have this get started option, and once you are on here you can see it is going to be asking you to adopt your signatures, which I have already done. So you can change them using your profile. You can click on manage profile, and here your signatures are going to be showing. So let me show you how they actually look. So just wait for a couple of seconds until the platform is going to be loading. So head over to signatures from the left side of your screen, and you can either delete this already existing one, click on delete, and add a signature. So this is going to be completely new. You can add your full name. We have already suggested signature, but if you want to create a custom one, click on this create option, and now we need to draw our signatures. So you can see currently it is asking you to add, if you click on create option, so make sure that you choose draw before you create. So here you need to draw something, like for example, if we have Alex, we can add anything related to that and click on create. So basically now we need to, if you have this kind of error showing up, empty or invalid initials, you need to make sure that you fill up this initial section as well. So add in here anything as well. So you can see below we have this initial section, so we can add in here some kind of Alex here. Click on create, and now you have your signatures being replaced. You can see it is added and looking good. So this is how easy it is.